Identifying direct variation equations. So direct variation equations are just little simple equations that look like y equals some number times x. So k is going to be a constant, which is just a number. And there's nothing else out here. So if you end up with plus something, it won't be a direct variation. So direct variation, just for a little background, is just a relationship between an x and a y that if x goes up, then y goes up. If x goes down, then y goes down. So it's like saying if I eat a lot of cupcakes, my weight will go up. If I don't eat at all, my weight will go down. Things like that. I don't know why I thought of that example, but there's tons and tons of examples of this. So to solve these problems, what you want to do is solve for y, or get y by itself. So to do that, here's the y I'm looking for. So I'm going to subtract 2x. And I'm going to divide by -5. So I get y equals, and I have negative divided by negative, so that's going to be a positive 2 over 5. So just get, that'll be your constant right there, and then x. So yes, this is a direct variation, and the constant is just 2/5. It's just the number right there next to x. So here, let's do the same thing. So I want to get y by itself, so let's subtract 2x. And I'm kind of already seeing something that's not going to be a direct variation. See that -2 out there? It is a linear equation, but it's not a direct variation. Direct variations go through the origin. They don't have a different y-intercept. Here's a little version. So direct variations are lines that go straight through the middle like that. Like that. And in this case, we're going to end up with something that actually comes down something like that. So when I simplify these, I'm just going to go ahead and do this for your information, but you could already say no. This is going to be 2/3 x, and then I have to divide by 3 in both places, so I'm going to have plus 2/3. So this is actually linear. Y equals 2/3 x plus 2/3, but because of this, it is not a direct variation. Direct variations are just very simple, and then so there's no answer to that. You don't have to put anything in there. Direct variations are just simple. If it had said y equals 2/3 x, that would be a direct variation. But if it has anything going on over here, it is not. The reason being is that direct variations go through the origin, and they are very simple, very short. They just have y equals a number called the constant times x.